What's going on, everybody? YL from rebelears.com here again. Just letting you guys know, man, go check out our website, rebelears.com. We got exclusive deals. As you can see at the top, you can download the free mix template. You can download our free ebooks. We got consultations with multi-platinum award engineers. You know, we just letting you guys know what we're all about. We have blogs coming out every single week. We have a podcast episode coming out every single week. We have all kind of products, free and for purchase. Of course, the deals and all of the discounts will be coming in the email. You can only get it by signing up, right? So go ahead, click on rebelears.com. Let's build together. Go in, give us your email. We'll start sending you emails. You'll start getting all the exclusive deals. Right now, go check it out, rebelears.com. All right, so this is my favorite plugin to use for subtractive EQ, right? Pulling out resonance. Just because it's 7 bands, I have my filters here. So, I mean, it's really everything that you want to affect on an EQ, this EQ gives you. And yes, this is a stock. This is a stock plugin. So if you don't have a lot of plugins, pay attention to, I'm about to show you how to use this plugin to basically shape vocals, okay? All right, and another thing that I want to do as well, to give myself some headroom, right? Because I can always come back at the end and adjust levels if I need to, right? I'm going to turn this beat down so I can hear my vocals better, right? Less is more. I don't want to just crank my vocals up to match my beat. Sometimes you can bring your beat down to match your vocals, especially in a 2-track mix. All right, so let's do it. Let's get into this hook.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit.
Alright, so you hear kind of like that tonal tone.
When I blow they ass to kiss, I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss.
Alright, you hear that? That's all resonance, right? So, but I want to try to find some low resonance really quick.
I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around,
so we're getting like a little quick little tonal sound right there, a little small one.
I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass
right there. So I want to pull that out, right? We'll wind that bandwidth just a little bit, right? I'm going to take this one, I'm going to come over here to these low mids. You hear that?
My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking
alright, so that's resonance. I'm going to pull that out.
Fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit.
That's resonance. Alright, in the high. She got a high pitched voice, so it's definitely a guarantee she's gonna have some high resonance. A lot of it.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass.
So I'm gonna pull that out right around now.
I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been
so when you're dealing with female artists, a lot of times female artists have really, really high pitched voices. So one thing that you can do is go in and pull out some high resonant frequencies, and that'll kind of keep that annoying, sharp, really high pitched vocal kind of toned up and tamed.
I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glocks and sending clips. My game don't fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I've been popping since legit. Niggas know what's up when I blow they ass.
So it's a lot of body right there, so I'm not going to take out right there a lot, and I'm not even going to widen my bandwidth. I'm going to keep that short, right? So let's listen to it. So this is without.
I pop my shit.
This is
Niggas
with.
know what's up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm
What's
talking
up?
Glock to send it clips. My game up fuck around, we making hits, fuck is a diss. I pop my shit, I been popping since
This is
a
with.
jet. Niggas know what's
What's
up when I blow they ass to kiss. I shoot my shot to never miss. I'm talking Glock to send it clips. My game up fuck around, we making hits, fuck.
So as you can see, it's a little smoother. It has a little bit more shape to the vocals, and it's not just so aggressive and out there, right? And you can even do, things like, I might want to turn this up, right? Since all I did was pull down, I might want to crank up my output just a little bit to kind of, keep that kind of volume that I have, so I'm not pulling out too much, right? Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that follow button, that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Check out our website, rebelears.com, for all the cool products we have for you guys. Follow us on social media, Rebel Ears Podcast on Instagram, Rebel Ears on Twitter, Rebel Ears on TikTok. And I'll see you guys next time. Be safe.